Some stories need to be told, and this is one of them. There's a journey that I've been on that has taken me across the country, over mountains, through streams, and even to heights unimaginable. Me, I'm just a guy, a normal guy that was working 2 to 3 jobs, trying to take care of his family. Then I was blessed with an incredible opportunity to step back into something that I thought was gone forever. I made a promise, and I'm just trying to keep it. To bless others more than myself, and to share Maverick the Jeep with everyone. I want to talk to veterans and soldiers, to bring awareness to the struggles that some of our veterans and military folks have, and to try to make people smile at least once a day. It's a tall order and a big promise, but when God allows you to have a great responsibility, you can't keep the blessing to yourself. So will you join me on my journey? Because the story has just begun.